1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti on the phone to tell us whether or not we should get the stun gun that looks like a gun or the stun gun that looks like the old-timey one with the little zappers.
It's like an old remote control.
Yeah, right.
All right, what's the deal, Paul? Can we even own a stun gun in New York?
Well, up until yesterday, it would have been criminal possession of a weapon in the fourth degree, but a federal judge came down yesterday and said that New Yorkers can own stun and taser guns. So yes,
just like that, I can go out and buy one.
So here's the rule: they deemed the law unconstitutional. New York had a law, one of only 2 or 3 states in the country that banned these things, and of course they were trying to get momentum to kind of have it continue. Judge came back and said you can't. That it's unconstitutional to have such a law. So right now, you're sort of in this in-between phase. I'd probably hold off in buying your gun.
Yeah, but Easter's coming up, Paul. What am I going to get
Can I at least buy the holster?
Start shopping. Maybe put it on your kind of wish list.
You think anybody's got a double holster for a double stun gun?
Yeah, it would not be illegal to own this at this point. So yeah, I guess the light is green.
All right, so we'll watch this. I mean, I didn't even know people wanted stun guns, but Quinn told me he listens to a lot of podcasts. Apparently, it's big among murderers and abductors.
Murderers bury stun guns all around the country, the serial killers, and they just go and dig up their murder kit. That's what I'm learning on this.
Well, it's quiet. You know, it's one of these things that they say is less dangerous than a gun, of course, but sure, it could be used for bad also.
How about a cattle prod? Can I have a cattle prod?
It's a good question.
I believe that's legal in New York, yeah.
And can I use it for what I would use the stun gun for? Because I think it'd be a little more gangster looking.
Well, it's all, again, you got to look at what your motivations are and if you're protecting yourself versus if you're going out and causing havoc.
Right.
And really, you know, these stun guns, I mean, what the proponents of this thing just said, listen, you know, it's for home defense. Less likely that, you know, if something goes wrong, you're going to stun someone versus possibly shoot them. But really it was just a pushback from the Second Amendment. Second Amendment, right after the First Amendment, that's how important our founding fathers thought it was, that we would have the right to bear arms. And New York just always pushing the envelope, but it just got pushed back. But we'll see what happens.
Be careful. Cool. That guy could flip it on you and stun you if you keep it in your house, too.
Well, that's like any weapon, though. You know what I mean?
I know.
Hey, Paul.
a little less dramatic.
Doesn't look good for Michael Avenatti, huh?
Lots of things going wrong for him, yeah. You know.
How quickly the tide turns.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if we have any questions right now, but I mean,
no, it looks shady.
If he's in jail, how does R. Kelly have a guy prosecuting him or taking him to court? Is it another guy?
They've got lots of guys. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. They'll just keep coming, yeah.
All right.
That is messy.
Paul Harding, my friend, from Martin Harding Mazzotti, 1-800-LAW-1010.com, 1-800-LAW-1010 as well. Give him a call.
Thanks, Paul.
All right, guys. Thank you.